is really tasty.
It was so delicious.
It's so delicious, I couldn't stop eating it. It's time for shepherd's pie. Now, Matt, do you have a secret ingredient for this one?
I certainly do, Michelle, and it's certainly not carrot. Never put carrot in your shepherd's pie. That is cottage pie only. This is a shepherd's pie made with lamb mince. But our secret ingredient is the dreaded anchovy. Now, anchovies are really high in umami. You're not going to taste their fishiness, but it's going to give a depth and a funk to your shepherd's pie that's going to make it absolutely delicious. We're going to start by frying off 1 large onion chopped and the white part of a bunch of spring onions. You're going to keep the green part because we're going to use that green part in the mash. So I've got a good glug of olive oil heating in this pan here. I'm going to throw in my alliums and throw my 1 diced brown onion, the white part of 6 spring onions or green shallots. Now these onions and the whites of the shallots are starting to soften. We're going to throw in lamb mince. This is 500 grams. We're just going to brown this, break it up, mix it with the onions and let it brown and get a lovely toasty colour. Our lamb mince is getting nice and toasty. I'm going to push the lamb mince to one side of the bowl and I'm just going to tilt the pan so the fat runs off, and into that fat I'm going to drop our 4 anchovy fillets. The better the anchovy fillet, the better the shepherd's pie is going to be. And now all we're going to do is we're going to mash those anchovy fillets into the juice that's rendered already off our lamb mince.
It's time now to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a cup of stock. And we're just going to stir that and bring it together. Now our mixture's come to the boil, reduce that down to medium-low and simmer that for about 5 to 10 minutes. And we're going to add 150 grams of frozen peas. You just want to stir those through until they warm through slightly, and then it'll be ready to make our pie. Just spoon that in, spread it out. Now we're ready for the mash.
Okay, to make our topping of this shepherd's pie a little bit more bougie, we're going to mix in the sliced tops of those 6 spring onions. A little bit of seasoning in there, do you think?
Yep, I was going to say that. There you go. Perfect. I find it easy with the 2 spoons to spread it out, and so you don't squash it and the filling doesn't ooze out.
Obviously, to finish off the shepherd's pie, we need something to make it golden, crispy, tasty, delicious. That means butter and parmesan.
There you go. I'll pop some of that on. Just pop that into the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes.
Oh, look at that bubbly edge.
Oh, wow.
How does that look? Love that bubbly edge with the fat and some of the gravy from the mince is coming up. Look at that toasty crust, golden, delicious little burnt bits.
Shall we dig in?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Well, that looks good.
It does.
That looks good.
There we go, Matt.
You know what's great about it? You know, you think 4 anchovy fillets, it's going to make it very fishy, but it doesn't at all. Loads of peas are the secret to this, and obviously using the tops of the spring onion or the green shallots in the mash really makes it kind of fresher, greener, brighter than normal. There it is. That is our shepherd's pie with the secret ingredient of anchovy fillets to give a little bit extra oomph.
And for more recipes like this, go to taste.com.au.